What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What do you do?
I am a doctor.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak English and German.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I do.
Do you have many friends?
No, I don't.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a BMW.
What is your phone number?
092-243-6519.
What do you do for work?
I'm a student.
Hi Anna, how's it going?
Hi David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too, but I'm hungry. How about ordering some food?
That sounds like a great idea, David. What do you feel like eating?
That's a good idea.
I'm in the mood for pizza. Do you like pizza?
I love pizza. Anna, what toppings would you like on it?
I want a pizza with pepperoni and extra cheese, please.
Great choice, Anna. And for me, I'll have a veggie pizza with mushrooms and bell peppers.
Sounds delicious, David. Let's order from that Italian place down the street.
Perfect, Anna. I'll give them a call and place the order.
Thanks for taking care of that, Dave. Now, we just have to wait for the delivery.
You're welcome, Anna. It won't be long, and then we can enjoy our pizza.
I can't wait, David. Pizza night is always a good night.
I couldn't agree more, Anna. Our taste buds are in for a treat. Excuse me, can you help me find a shirt?
Of course. What type of shirt are you looking for?
I'm looking for a casual shirt, preferably in blue or white.
We have a variety of casual shirts in those colors. Please follow me to the shirt section.
Thank you.
Here we are. These are our casual shirts. Feel free to browse and let me know if you need any assistance.
I like this blue shirt. Can I try it on?
Absolutely. The fitting rooms are right over there. Take your time and let me know if you need a different size.
Alright, I'll try it on. Thank you.
Great choice. Is there anything else you would like to buy?
No, just the shirt, please.
All right. Let me ring it up for you. That will be $25.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your change and your receipt. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Have a good day.